1.1.6 Formulas. An equation is a mathematical statement indicating that two expressions are equal. The expressions can be numerical or algebraic. The equation is not inherently true or false, but only a proposition. The values that make the equation true, the solutions, are found using the properties of real numbers and other results. For example, the equation 2x plus 1 equals 7 has the solution of 3 because when we substitute 3 for x in the equation, we obtain the true statement, 2 times open parenthesis, 3, closed parenthesis, plus 1, equals 7. A formula is an equation expressing a relationship between constant and variable quantities. Very often, the equation is a means of finding the value of one quantity, often a single variable, in terms of another or other quantities. One of the most common examples is the formula for finding the area, A, of a circle in terms of the radius r of the circle. A equals pi r squared. For any value of r, the area, A, can be found by evaluating the expression, pi r squared. Example 11. Using a formula. A right circular cylinder with radius r and height h has the surface area S, in square units, given by the formula. S equals 2 pi r, open parenthesis, r, plus h, closed parenthesis. See Figure 3. Find the surface area of a cylinder with radius 6 inches and height 9 inches. Leave the answer in terms of pi. Figure 3. Right circular cylinder. Solution. Evaluate the expression 2 pi r, open parenthesis, r, plus h, closed parenthesis, for r, equals 6, and h, equals 9. S, equals 2 pi r, open parenthesis, r, plus h, closed parenthesis, equals 2 pi, open parenthesis, 6, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open square bracket, open parenthesis, 6, closed parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, 9, closed parenthesis, closed square bracket, equals 2 pi, open parenthesis, 6, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 15, closed parenthesis, equals 180 pi. The surface area is 180 pi square inches. Try at number 11. A photograph with length L and width W is placed in a mat of width 8 cm cm. The area of the mat, in square centimeters or cm squared, is found to be A equals, open parenthesis, L, plus 16, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, W, plus 16, closed parenthesis, minus L, dot W. See Figure 4. Find the area of a mat for a photograph with length 32 centimeters and width 24 centimeters. Figure 4. 1.1.7 Simplifying algebraic expressions. Sometimes we can simplify an algebraic expression to make it easier to evaluate or to use in some other way. To do so, we use the properties of real numbers. We can use the same properties in formulas because they contain algebraic expressions. Example 12. Simplifying algebraic expressions. Simplify each algebraic expression. A. 3x minus 2y plus x minus 3y minus 7. B. 2r minus 5, open parenthesis, 3, minus r, closed parenthesis, plus 4. C. Open parenthesis, 4t, minus 5, over 4s, closed parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, 2, over 3, t, plus 2s, closed parenthesis. D. 2, m, n, minus 5, m, plus 3, m, n, plus n. Solution. A. 3x, minus 2y, plus x, minus 3y, minus 7, equals, 3x, plus x, minus 2y, minus 3y, minus 7. Commutative property of addition. equals 4x minus 5y minus 7. Simplify. b. 2r minus 5 times, open parenthesis, 3 minus r, closed parenthesis, plus 4, equals 2r minus 15 plus 5r plus 4. Distributive property. Equals 2r plus 5r minus 15 plus 4. Commutative property of addition. Equals 7r minus 11. Simplify. c. Open parenthesis, 4t minus 5 over 4 s, closed parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, 2 over 3t plus 2 s, closed parenthesis, equals 4t minus 5 over 4 s minus 2 over 3t minus 2 s. Distributive property. Equals 4t minus 2 over 3 t minus 5 over 4 s minus 2 s. Commutative property of addition. Equals 10 over 3 t minus 13 over 4 s. Simplify. d. 2 m n minus 5 m plus 3 m n plus n equals 2 m n plus 3 m n minus 5 m plus n. Commutative property of addition. Equals 5 m n minus 5 m plus n. Simplify. Try it number 12. Simplify each algebraic expression. a. 2 over 3 y minus 2 times, open parenthesis, 4 over 3 y plus z, closed parenthesis. b. 5 over t minus 2 minus 3 over t plus 1. c. 4p, open parenthesis, q, minus 1, closed parenthesis, plus q, open parenthesis, 1, minus p, closed parenthesis. d. 9r, minus, open parenthesis, s, plus 2, r, closed parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, 6, minus s, closed parenthesis. Example 13. Simplifying a formula. A rectangle with length L and width W has a perimeter P given by P equals L plus W plus L plus W. Simplify this expression. Solution. P equals L plus W plus L plus W. P equals L plus W plus W. Commutative property of addition. P equals 2L plus 2W. Simplify. P equals 2, open parenthesis, L plus W, closed parenthesis. Distributive property. Try it number 13. If the amount P is deposited into an account paying simple interest R for time T, the total value of the deposit A is given by A equals P plus PRT. Simplify the expression. This formula will be explored in more detail later in the course. 1.1.8 Media. Access these online resources for additional instruction and practice with real numbers. Simplify an expression. http://openstacks.org/l/simexpress closing parenthesis. Evaluate an expression 1. http://openstacks.org/l7 ordopper 1 closing parenthesis. Evaluate an expression 2. http://openstacks.org/l/ordopper 2 closing parenthesis.